Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable safety settings for prompts in Google AI Studio. In this walkthrough, we'll open Google AI Studio's Playground and turn on the safety settings so your prompts and responses follow stronger content rules. These controls help reduce the chance of generating harmful or sensitive material, which is especially useful when you're testing prompts for teammates, demos, or production-bound prototypes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google AI Studio. If you land on the new chat page, you're in the right place. From here, click Playground. The Playground is where you can experiment with prompts, adjust model options, and see results in real time without writing code. Now move your cursor over the panel on the right side of the screen. This is the configuration panel, and it's where most of the useful controls live, including model selection and tuning options. If the panel looks narrow or partially hidden, just hover and it will reveal more details. Scroll down within that right-hand panel until you find Advanced Settings. These options are often collapsed by default, so keep scrolling if you don't see them immediately. When you reach Advanced Settings, click to expand it. This section contains additional controls that aren't visible at first glance. Within Advanced Settings, look for Safety Settings and click Edit. This opens a set of category toggles you can control. Each toggle represents a protection area that helps the model avoid producing certain types of problematic content. Turning these on applies stricter checks to your session. To enable them, drag each toggle to the right so it's switched on. When toggled on, you'll typically see a visual change indicating they're active. With all protections enabled, the model will more aggressively filter or reformulate content that may include things like toxicity, hate, or harassment, explicit or violent material, or unsafe instructions. The goal is to steer outputs towards safer, policy-aligned responses without you having to micromanage every prompt. If your interface offers only simple on-off switches, turning them on is sufficient. In some layouts, you might see more granular controls or thresholds. Use the defaults if you're unsure. If any toggle appears locked or disabled, you may need higher project permissions, or the feature might be limited by your workspace settings. These changes usually apply immediately to your current Playground session. As you continue working with prompts, you may notice the model declining certain requests or softening language. This indicates the safety settings are active. That's it. By navigating to the Playground, opening the right panel, expanding Advanced Settings, selecting Safety Settings, and switching all protections on, you've set up a safer prompt environment in Google AI Studio.